Good day, my name is Rondon Arenado and I'm an Air Force veteran here in Central Texas. Restoration Ranch has inspired and enhanced my interpersonal experience and meaning of life. Located in Bastrop, Texas, south of Austin, Derek and his family have provided a superb and relaxing environment that not only helps local veterans and their families but also cares and rescues horses throughout the country. One of the most memorable experiences on the ranch was being greeted by a retired police horse, Trooper. I generally believe that Trooper and I have a connection through our experiences and common interests. I truly support the efforts and duties that the team at Restoration Ranch has accomplished and the passion that goes into every task at the ranch. So Austin, please take a moment to check out and support this wonderful and inspiring nonprofit organization through Amplified Austin.
How's it going? My name's Fred. I'm a veteran and I'm a student at Texas State University. I was asked to do a video for Amplified Austin for Restoration Ranch. One thing about Restoration Ranch, since my first visit here, I felt like I was a part of something that could actually help me get through transitioning. As a veteran, sometimes we have issues going from the military lifestyle to just a civilian lifestyle. Restoration Ranch helped me to come out of the shell that I was in. I self-isolated when I got to Texas State. I moved here from a different city, and the camaraderie here, the relationships I've built, and the friends that I've made along the way, whether human or horse. I've worked with a few of the horses here, and just to know that the horse gets a lot from the experience as I do, it's kind of like a two-way bridge that we can everybody just benefits. I encourage you to donate to Restoration Ranch. It serves a lot of veterans. Restoration Ranch is the only organization of its kind that completely serves veterans and their families. There are others like it, but this one really stresses making this a friendly environment for veterans themselves. So look them up on the Amplify Austin webpage and donate some time or some money. And thank you for your time.
My name's Colin Lambert. I've been coming out to the ranch for about 2.5 to 3 years now. My dad's an Army veteran. It's helped me come out of my shell, and it's helped me and my dad communicate better. It's a great organization. I hope you could help support the veterans and the horses through your donations.